Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get verified on TikTok. First thing, let's launch the TikTok app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see the profile icon. Then what you want to do, you want to head towards top right corner where you see the three straight lines. You click on them and then you want to click on settings and privacy. When you launch settings and privacy menu, you want to click on account. Then the third option in the account menu will be verification. You want to click on verification, and there are only three steps, three criteria that everyone should follow. So you will be able to get verified and you will get the verified badge. The verification process is very simple. TikTok wants you to meet the basic requirements to enter your account details and to show notability that you're the person that you're claiming for. Very important, this feature, it's only available for people that are above the age of 18. If you're under the age of 18, you have to go to this particular email address that is mentioned from TikTok. It's verification@tiktok.com. You gotta contact them for you to get other type of verification and information for you to be able to verify you. Let's go through the basic requirements that you should submit so you'll be able to get the two-step verification on your device. First thing first, basic requirements. You have to include the username, the bio, and the profile picture so they will be able to match who you are, your contact email or address. Second option, of course, is that you have to include the verified phone number or email. Right? This is very important because they want to make sure they can match the second type of verification. So they can even prevent your account from, copying or simple scam. Third option, of course, is to turn off the private account. You cannot have a private account and having, two-step verification simply because then no one else will be able to even try to hack your account because your account on theory doesn't exist on the public space. So your account has to be public. Your account has to have a profile picture, bio, username, and your account has to have a phone number and email. This is how you can get the two-step verification on your account and simply get verified. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.